everyone, I'm Julia, a broadcast media production student at Champlain College. Starting college can be intimidating for anyone, and one of the biggest struggles can be making new friends. Before I even got to Champlain, getting over my nerves about meeting new people was one of my biggest challenges. But there are a few things that I did before I got to school, and after I moved in, that helped me form those lasting friendships. And it's a lot easier than you think. When you've chosen your school, or even before that, see what opportunities it has before your move-in date. I went to Champlain's Admitted Students Day, and it allowed me to meet my future classmates through a bunch of fun activities, so we made those connections really early. Champlain also helps incoming students through social media, like on Facebook. Everyone posts a little blurb about themselves, and this spurs conversation about similar interests. I also got to meet other people who are going to be in my major and talk to them about it before we even got to campus. Check out your school's website for info on their student life offerings. Champlain has all of the clubs, as well as intramural sports teams, listed on their website with information. We have everything from parkour club to tabletop games club, and we also have major specific clubs like Stiller Women in Business that help you network, but also form friendships. When I was getting ready for college, I picked out a few of the clubs and teams that interested me and made the decision to show up to their meetings within the first few weeks of school. I even reached out to the captain of the club volleyball team, and when I saw her on campus, after I moved in, she recognized me and said hi. Another person I spoke to beforehand was my future roommate. Have a conversation with them, even if it's just about who's going to bring the mini fridge. Putting a face or a voice to the name will help you connect more easily and feel more secure moving in. When you do actually move in, get to know the people in your hall. First-year students all move in within the same few hours, so you'll be seeing your neighbors moving all their stuff in too. Compliment something they brought or say, "Oh, wow, I can't believe I brought so much stuff." Any little bits of conversation like that can spark more in the future. Once classes start up, go to the clubs and other meetings you said you wanted to go to. My first few weeks, I showed up to about 3 or 4, and one of them wasn't for me, and that's okay. It's as important to get involved in what you enjoy as it is to understand what you don't. Finding a job on campus has multiple perks. You'll not only be making money, but you'll be making connections as well. My first year, I worked at Champlain's library. I worked with students across all majors and all years, and I became friends with them outside of work too. It might sound cliche, but it's true. Everyone else at school is just as nervous about meeting new people as you are. But if you take a few steps before you move in, and during the first couple weeks, you'll already have people that you can connect with and count on that just might be your friends for the next 4 years. Thanks for sticking with me and learning about starting college off on the right foot. To learn more about the college experience, you can watch my other videos and follow Champlain College on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!